Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Illinois tax credits using MyTax Illinois portal step by step clearly. To update your Illinois tax credits using the MyTax Illinois portal, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the MyTax Illinois website. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you haven't registered yet, select the Register option to create an account. After signing in, locate the Credits section on your dashboard. Click on the Manage Tax Credits link to proceed. You will be directed to a list of available tax credits associated with your account. Select the specific tax credit you wish to update. Carefully review the current information displayed. Click on the Edit button to make changes. Update the necessary fields with the correct information. Double-check your entries to ensure accuracy. Once you have confirmed the changes, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your updates have been submitted successfully. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding the status of your updated tax credits. If needed, log back into the MyTax Illinois portal to check your updates at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.